So hello guys, I'm at the site where the construction of the bus terminal in Umuahia is currently going on. So I'm going to be showing you guys how far work has come here, as you can see. So let's go down as I show you guys how far the work has come so far. Now this bus terminal is around gates in Umuahia. Of course, you know gates. This is around gates Umuahia. Just over there now. That's Bank Road is somewhere there. Bank Road is somewhere there. And cooperative is somewhere behind me over there. So let's go, inwards. Let me show you guys how far work is going.
No, my younger brother.
Now we don't know. So as you can see, these are heavy duty machines that helps in the construction. There are a lot of them over here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, I can go down, right? Okay. Above. So that's the entrance over there. Okay. Okay, it's the mechanic workshop. Okay.
Yeah, slab for covering gutter.
Okay. Quite back on the slab. So these are the slabs where they mold them. As you can see, these slabs now you are seeing here, they use them to cover the drainages, the gutters.
Make it work well.
To make it work well.
Can work with.
And that's the cement mixer over there.
Yeah.
You will another thing down.
Yeah. That is
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a terminal.
Okay.
Other terminal.
Abia State Terminal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Other state.
Okay. So if you look down there, slot is over there. I'll show you when I approach.
This container is bring the materials to the terminal.
Okay,
This is now.
materials.
That is the reason for that terminal over there.
Okay, so these are some of the equipments that they use in construction of the terminal. These are the place. This is the place where they load them onto. You know, as you can see, work is seriously going on here. Oh, serious work is seriously going on here. So guys, I've seen a lot of equipment that are being used for the construction of the terminal here around the gates.
This is General Park.
Okay,
This is General Park.
so I'm going to show you General Park over there now. Okay, but now General Park.
Yes,
Can we go close?
all those local parks.
Okay,
Over here,
so we are approaching the General Park now. So Ebaga will General Park where anybody can.
yes, all the road ties, all the road motors.
Okay.
No more on the road, no more parking on the road.
Okay.
No more anyhow park.
So this place you are seeing right there is going to be the General Park, where all the cars can be parked in taxi, all of them. No more parking on the road. So this is a view of the General Park. This is the General Park section. So let me take you guys now to where serious work is ongoing.
The event center.
Okay, so Anka Event Center.
Event center.
So this is an event center. You can see how massive it is. All these things are still the equipment that is going to be used for the construction. And this is still the General Park area. Okay, kind of the terminal.
Yeah. Terminal where consider all those production lorries.
Okay.
If you want to can is here, is in Enugu State.
Okay.
Then I think so.
Okay.
When says they have the terminal.
Okay, should we first of all go to that one, then we'll now. Ghana.
Yes, terminal.
Okay, it's a terminal.
Yeah, terminal. Yes,
So, guys, I'm actually going to be showing you guys now where the construction of the terminal, what class terminal, what tam, where they are constructing the terminal. Let me show you guys. Abi so on will take she we bangu. On will take she we bangu. Okay. Okay. So that is slot over there. Bro, so now I don't know. Okay. So guys, let's enter the where the construction is going on. Work they go on. When I well done, no. You what? Make I finish. So look at the floor, guys, very strong. So guys, what do you think? Work is seriously going on here. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section. The government is really working, and you can notice changes in the state capital. You know, he said he's going to transform Umuahia. He's going to give Umuahia that state capital vibe, and we're actually seeing it. It's actually happening right here in Umuahia and all over the state in general. So see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.